Alright guys, so I have all of the parts laid out here, and I know it looks like a lot. It is a little bit, but it's a very simple build. If you just follow through the steps, you'll get done with this in maybe like, I don't know, 20-30 minutes. It's not that bad. I think it's only just a few parts, like, I don't know, 10 parts or something. Okay, so how to get started? You are going to work from this part all the way down to this part. So yeah, let's get started. We are going to take the front two the distal phalanges right here, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna use something like, I don't know, a needle to see this. This hole should be large enough for something like a piece of filament from a 3D printer. So that hole should be large enough for a little piece of filament like this to pass through. So if it doesn't, use something like this. What I would usually do is I'll take like this pointy thing, use a flame, heat it up a little, and then I would just push inside and it would melt out the PLA and it would just make the hole wider. And you want to take this and you want to also do this for this little part here. I kind of forgot what it was called in the CAD, but it looks like this. It's got like a little arch. Don't confuse this for the tension clamps, because these are two different parts. This one's a little thicker and it's got that little half circle on the bottom. So what this does is this goes onto here like that, right? And then if it goes on like that, and then this part would obviously go like this. And then what you want to do is you want to make sure the filament goes through like that, which this one does, and then you can move on to the next step. Now the next step is you are going to take a piece of this the nylon stuff, right? And then you're gonna put in here. Actually, before you do that, you want to take the middle phalange and you just want to slide the little ball bearing into here. So boom, like that, very easy. Now you want to kind of arrange it like this, and then this part, the distal phalange, is gonna go on just like that, right? It should have a little click, but since these parts are kind of old, they don't have a click, but it's okay. And then you're just gonna take one of the screws that I was talking about, and you just want to screw it into this hole on the side. So I'm gonna use a drill. You can use a screwdriver, use whatever you want. Okay, perfect. Now the part is securely in place, shouldn't be going anywhere. You can see it bends. Now what you want to do is you want to take the string and you're gonna put it on the top. Slide it into the hole a little if you want, but you don't have to. And then you can actually leave a little extra piece. I find that helps a lot. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the part from before, put it on top, just like that, and then you're gonna take one of your screws. So I'm just using the Walmart screws, and then I'm just gonna screw that in, like that. And I'm gonna use my drill for it. Make sure you keep a little pressure on this so the twine doesn't like go weird. All right, once you think it's tight enough, as long as if you pull on this and it doesn't loosen, that's good. You can just cut this off using like scissors. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna cut them with some scissors.